for the grand prizes. We have 90 winners, and what you're going to win is full day in Vegas, where we'll have 10 fireside chats and open mic Q&A. So if your name is called, we'll email with dates and details. So you'll have a spot in the room should you choose to take it. So listen closely. I'm going to say each name twice. Congratulations to Lisa Cruz. Maybe I won't say these twice. Lisa Cruz.
Braden Lee. Krista. Israel Roca.
Nice.
Christian Stubbs. Alec Overett.
But John Stojan. Kendrick's.
Just wild. Just wild. As you guys just saw, I won a trip to Las Vegas to go and meet Alex Hormozi on October 21st. And what makes this so wild and mind-blowing is out of all the people and business owners that could have won, I was one of the winners, and I just happened to be the owner and founder of the two most exclusive online communities all about Alex Hormozi on the school platform. It's honestly like Michael Jordan's biggest fan winning a trip to go meet Michael Jordan. Anyway, you clicked on this video because you either bought or have been wanting to buy Alex Hormozi's new book, $100 Million Money Models. You want to read this book and immediately apply what's inside to your business and start making more money. Awesome. So do I. Well, so what do you do if after you read a couple of pages or a chapter, but you're still not quite sure on how to implement what you just read into your business? How do you translate the words here and integrate it into your literal business? This is why I'm starting the $100 Million Money Models Book Club on Wednesday, August 27th. In this book club, we will go through portions of the book with other Alex Hormozi fans, business owners, and entrepreneurs, and break down what we can specifically use in our business. And this book club will completely be hosted in my community, Hormozi Money Models, right here on the school platform. And there will be a link in the description and down in the pinned comment. Oh, and by the way, if you're seeing this video after August 27th, do not worry. This book club will be going on weekly for the foreseeable future. Once we run through the entire book, we basically just start over all again. And that's because I'm constantly having new members flooding into my community daily. And I want to make sure everyone's able to go through the book club at least once. Doesn't matter what day or week they join. No one gets left behind. Now, I will be honest here. This book club and this community is geared towards the more advanced business owners and entrepreneurs who are making quite a bit of revenue, around $10,000 a month at least, I would say, because these are the businesses that would actually benefit the most out of applying $100 million money models. And that is just me being completely frank with you guys. Now, if you are a newer entrepreneur or you're just starting out your own new business, I would highly suggest you check out my $100 million Leads book club on my Alex Hormozi School community. You might find this community and this book club a better fit if you have not quite hit that $10,000 a month mark yet in your business. All right, here's the summary. $100 Million Money Models book club starts August 27th. It is hosted in my community, Hormozi Money Models. And I want you guys to please read the description for full instructions on how to join. If you are in the early stages of your business, check out $100 Million Leads book club hosted on the Alex Hormozi School community. And it doesn't matter when you guys are seeing this video, you can hop into any of these communities and join any of these book clubs anytime. Oh, and if you're watching this before October 21st, if you guys could ask Alex Hormozi anything, what would it be? See ya.